Hi guys, welcome back to TechnoMinds channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install PostgreSQL on CentOS 7. Before starting installation, I want to remind you, I hope you guys know about PostgreSQL is a powerful and open source relational database platform. It's scalable across multiple platforms and is widely used and well loved tool. In this video, I will show you how to install PostgreSQL on CentOS 7. The first step is we need to access our servers with SSH like virtual boxes or Mobaxterm with putty, something like this. It is simple to install PostgreSQL from CentOS 7 repositories. Start with the following command. Sudo yum install PostgreSQL server PostgreSQL contrib. This might take some time to complete. We need to press yes. This has been completed. So the next step is, we have to initialize the database. Once the installation is done, you can initialize the database using this command. PostgreSQL setup init db. So it is initializing database. The database started, so we can see the status as OK here. Now we have to start the database. After this initializing the database, you can start this database by using this command. PostgreSQL. So this completes our database installation and initialization. If you require, you can configure PostgreSQL to start on every system reboot automatically. So you need to do sudo system ctl enable PostgreSQL. So it has been enabled. So if you want to check this PostgreSQL is installed or not, so we have to check with this command, which PSQL. It has been installed in this path. If you want to check which PostgreSQL is installed, you can check with this command version. So we have installed 9.2.24 here on CentOS. So I will show you how to log in PostgreSQL. In Linux, by default a username Postgres is created once PostgreSQL is installed. You can change the user's password by the commands. I will show you the commands, but I will show you how to log into PostgreSQL here. Sudo -u. It is user Postgres PSQL. So we have logged in here and you can see Postgres. It has changed to Postgres. So this is the basic setup of PostgreSQL. So you can log in, and I have shown you the installation configuration and this how to log in into Postgres. So you can see that tables. So this has been defined already by default. With this, I have shown you PostgreSQL installation in CentOS and also walked through the basic setup like how to log in. That's it, guys. So I will be back with some commands related to PostgreSQL, how to create table, username and password, and I'll be back with some videos related to some other issues. Thanks, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, Technominds. Thank you.